How to restore iPhone from backup on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Restoring your iPhone from a backup on your Mac can help recover lost data, transfer information to a new device, or fix software issues. So the first step is to check your backup type. Apple provides two types of backups. First, iCloud backup. It is stored in the cloud and restored directly from the iPhone. And second, Mac backup, that is Finder or iTunes. It is stored on your Mac and restored using Finder or iTunes. So the next step is to connect your iPhone to Mac. Use a Lightning or USB-C cable to connect your iPhone to your Mac. Now, unlock your iPhone and trust the computer if prompted, and then open Finder for Mac OS or later, or open iTunes and then select your iPhone. In Finder, open a new Finder window and look for your iPhone under the Location section on the left side sidebar and tap on it. Now, under the General or Summary tab, tap on the Restore Backup option you see there and then choose the most recent or desired backup from the list. Now, tap on the Restore and wait for the process to complete. Finally, complete the setup on your iPhone. Once the restore process is finished, your iPhone will restart. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Ensure all data has been restored before disconnecting the device. So, this is how you can restore iPhone from backup on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.